Good morning, children. Welcome you all in our math session. Myself, Anita More, your maths teacher. Today, we are going to learn about ones, tens, and hundreds. Okay? This is the revision of ones, tens. Okay? Look here. Here are some blocks. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many blocks are here? 10. So, these are 10 ones. Okay? How many ones are here? 10 ones. Now, these 10 ones means 1 tens. Look here. In this strip, there are 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These 10 ones means it's become with the help of these blocks. These 10 ones become 1 tens. Understand? These 1 tens means look here. This is 1 10. Here is another 1 10. Here 1 10. And these are 1 10, 1 10, 1 10, 1 10 means how many tens are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 means these are 10 tens. Okay, children? And these 10 tens become 100. When you put these 10 tens together, look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Means when you put these 10 tens together, it become 100. Understand? Now you know 10 ones become 1 tens. Okay? And 10 tens. This 1 tens, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens and 10 tens. These 10 tens become 100. Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These 10 tens. It's become 100. Okay, children. I hope you have understood about the ones, tens and hundreds. Now you know 110 is equal to 10 means TEN 10. Okay. 2 tens is equal to 20. 3 tens is equal to 30. THIRTY 30. 4 tens is equal to 40. 5 tens is equal to 50. 6 tens is equal to 60. 7 tens is equal to 70. 8 tens is equal to 80. 9 tens is equal to 90. And 10 tens is equal to 100. Look here. 10 means 2-digit number. Means this 10 means we have to write these tens in tens and ones place. Okay. So here is tens place and here is ones place. Means T and O. If we have to write this 10, then the 1 will come in tens place and 0 will come in ones place. Okay. If you have to write this 20, then 2 in tens place and 0 in ones place. Okay. If I will give you one number, 56. Now tell me, which number will come in tens place? Of course, this 56 means 5 will come in tens place and this 6 is in one place. So, 6 will come in ones place. Okay, another number, 87. 87. So, 8 will come in tens place and 7 will come in ones place. Understand, children? Now you know how to write tens and ones. Means which number will come in tens place and which number will come in ones place. Look here. Here is number 84. In 84, how many tens are here and how many ones are here? So, here 8 tens and 4 ones. So, here there are 8 tens and 4 ones is equal to 84. Understand? Okay. If there is 7 tens and 2 ones, then tell me which number is that? 7 tens and 2 ones means the number will become 72. Understand? If there is number 6 tens and 9 ones, then tell me which number will there? 69. Okay, children, now you know about the tens and ones. Okay, I hope you have understood about the ones, tens and hundreds. Okay, thank you.